I actually heard about this retreat by doing a search for a couples retreat or a couples workshop. What I did was I watched the testimonials from the last one, and after I watched it, I knew for sure that this would be a fun place to check out.
It combined some real introspection with professional advice and the extreme activities that we did.
The zip line, it was pretty awesome because he has not wanted to do the zip line for years, and I was really proud of him. The breakthrough and wanting to do the zip line, and he did awesome.
I love the canoeing. I just love the energy that everyone showed in every activity that we did. Zip lining, canoeing, kayaking, and
ATV vehicle.
And ATV was crazy. You know, hitting the weight, hitting that. I mean, I was coming over a bend so I could get more speed to really hit the puddle and really drench us, but that was a lot of fun. Yeah, a lot of energy, a lot of positive energy.
I thought the content was highly relevant, whether you're our age, coming into the empty nester stage of life, or raising teenage children, or just getting started in your marriage. I thought it was highly relevant, enjoyed it.
I think the way that it was moderated, the way the Freibergs kind of connected all the pieces to it was really impactful, and I think the conversations and watching couples become more and more vulnerable throughout the weekend was really cool.
For sure.
I mean, the activities are awesome and they're refreshing and they bring joy to us as a couple. But actually, what I enjoyed the most was the discussions we had. Sometimes it'd be a big, broad overview, which is great to kind of help us understand and reaffirm things. But then I really enjoyed when we got down to the practical tools on. I mean, it's great to figure out what you need to do, but the how and some tools to do that was what I found the most satisfying and relevant.
The spirituality conversation was a big one for us, and just kind of recentering and being a little bit more spiritual together. I think we'll have a really positive impact.
I think one of the really great things about the workshop was we're leaving with a workbook, and if we choose, homework assignments. And I think that the workbook is helpful to making sure that everything you learn doesn't just, it's not just a weekend. It's an ongoing, it's a sustainable event.
And that every time we had private time, it always came back to the things that we were learning in our workshops. It was always, hey, what did you think about this? And how can we do better at, X, Y, and Z? It always came back to the things we were learning, which was cool.
It just reaffirmed that we're headed in the right direction, that we're doing things that are right and good in our marriage, and that there are some new tools to just improve that relationship.
Yeah. It wasn't so much corrective, but it is how to enhance things.
Yes.
And take it to an even better level.
Both of us have been so worried about our agendas and getting our needs met that when we think about it as a couple, as a united front, and we're working towards a better relationship rather than against each other. And I've learned a lot of different tips and techniques and conversation starters or scripts, kind of just ease into a conversation that I think would really help in those areas.
As the weekend went, I mean, maybe even too much.
Maybe we shared too much.
There was definitely a time where all of a sudden it felt like we knew each other.
Kevin and Jackie managed the group dynamic in a very comfortable, safe manner that allows people to let their guard down.
It was very well organized, yeah.
Balanced, genuine, helpful, not judgmental.
It was special
It was
to
a
be,
really
to
good use
spend
of
most of the
time.
day in their home,
Yeah.
and that was very comfortable. They had a large, very large living room, so everybody had these really comfortable chairs to sit back in, participate, listen.
The people that attended, everybody was kind of on the same desire of wanting to know and to improve, and so I think everybody was willing to share.
Quality of the people here is just incredible.
Top
It's
notch.
Top notch. I mean, it was fun, energetic, well-educated people. I mean, these are people. I don't think these are people here fixing their relationship. They're people here enhancing their relationship. I felt more peace. I feel like I achieved more peace with my wife than I've had in the last probably 2.5 years.
We were really looking for a refresher course in how to go from here through the rest of our lives as a couple, and the opportunity to do that with other couples and with professionals like Jackie and Kevin was really special for us.
One of the things that, I even mentioned today as we were kind of, debriefing it all was, I want to provide an experience like this as a gift to each of our kids. We've got 5 kids, and this was so impactful. We've been married 5 years. We're in a second marriage, and
Our oldest is 22 and our youngest is 15, so they're kind of coming into adulthood.
And I wish that we would have had these kinds of conversations and opportunities like very early on in our marriage, and so I'm motivated to try to create opportunities and experiences like this for our kids when they get married, so that they can have the greatest chance for success.